Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're in Nelson, British Columbia, Canada, and we've got a gigantic car show here to show you today. And we're just going to walk around and look at some amazing muscle cars, and you guys are going to love it. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. This is one thing I thought was super cool. To kick off the car show for tomorrow, they're having a parade. The cars are coming in steady and they're coming from everywhere. This car show parade carried on for quite a while, and this isn't half of it. They've got a ton of cars. The car show that's scheduled tomorrow for 10 a.m. is estimated to have over 500 car and truck entries. And I'm definitely really excited. I can't wait to see how much of this road they're going to have shut down. But it's going to be huge. You're going to see a ton more cars. Stay with me to the very end so you can see all the fancy cars. '65 Corvette. Then I came across the Chevy Camaro SS, and it had a little one just like it. It was awesome. If you guys are liking what you're seeing, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. Thank you. If you guys watched part 1 of my car show video, it shows this beast coming down the road. It sounded absolutely awesome. If you haven't seen it, after this video, go back to my channel and watch it because it's super cool. This definitely was an awesome car show. Every time I turn around, there was something better, something that I wanted to see. And I definitely want to come back next year to see it all over again. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video here in Nelson, British Columbia. Let me know in the comments below which car you like best. If you'd like to see another video on trucks or motorcycles, you can click on this link right here to start. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. We'd love to have you on board. We've got lots more coming. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.